live monitoring application through dispatcher. To check live stream of body-worn camera, so we have to log in dispatcher software CMS server client. After login in CMS client software, there will be so many options are appear in the top menu like map, video, track, record, manage, other settings. We can easily see the live location of the user through the map option. You can watch live streams of the device in the video option. There are 3 options, all online and offline. All option will show total number of BWC devices you have configured with the server. Online option will show only those devices which are only connected to the network and or will be online. In the offline option, the device will show which is not connected to the network or the device will be offline. Now we check status of our online devices. Here one of our devices is showing online. Always remember that whatever device is online, its icon will come in pink color, and whatever device is offline, its icon will come in gray color. For check live stream, so please double click on the device that is showing online. Then after you will be able to see the live view of the device from anywhere. There are many options in the status option which can be filled by user according to his requirements. It comes with options like name, police number, vehicle ID, organization, status, positioning time, and location details. The first option in the VoIP is the intercom option. To enable this option, click on Open and later select the online BWC from devices list and select a BWC camera for conversation. Whichever BWC is on any field in online mode, then the control room person can easily talk to the user directly from the server application CMS client. Any user who is using the BWC in online mode, then he will have to talk by holding the PTT button from BWC. By this option, the person of the direct control room can listen to all the things happening from the online BWC devices of the field user without the user knowing. If the control person wants to give an important message to all the online BWC users, by through this option, the message can be broadcast to all at once. Right-clicking in the channel preview option will bring a lot of options which is very useful. You can stop the live streaming of the BWC by clicking on the stop preview option. You can stop the live streaming of all the BWC by clicking on stop all channel preview. Clicking on open all channel preview will open all the channels. By selecting the switch video option, you can switch to another channel from the device's current preview. If you want to share video to another server, so you can use this option. By clicking on the open mic option, BWC users can send important voice messages. On selecting the option of start intercom, bot communication will take place like BWC to dispatcher and dispatcher to BWC. On selecting the start monitor option, the control room person can listen to the entire talk of the online BWC from the dispatcher. We can also start video recording of live streaming by click on start video record. If you want to stop video record, so you can click on stop video record. We click on capture picture option. Through display mode option, we can change the quality view of the dispatcher. It has two options, real good and fluent good. We can minimize and maximize the size of the dispatcher through the aspect ratio option. Clicking on Hide Title option will remove the heading of the live streaming preview option. Will show the quantity of all the BWC that are online in the online status, like, for example, there is one camera online now that is up here. In offline status, all the BWC that are offline will appear in device, like, for example, now 5 cameras are offline, all are appear in list. The alarm option works when the user officer using the BWC and wants to send a message by pressing the SOS button. In the GPS invalid option, the device will show whose GPS is off or will not be in the range of GPS. In time and content option, here are some icons below the top menu. Through this icon, we can change the channels of the application according to the requirements of the user. If user click on single channel selection, then single channel will open. If the user wants to watch dual channel or more channels, then he clicks on the number of channels he wants, then the channel will open accordingly. If we want to see any distant object a little closer, then we have to click on zoom in and click on zoom out to keep it in normal mode. The function of channel switch is that we can change the channel by clicking on it. We can minimize and maximize the size of the dispatcher through the aspect ratio option. Through display mode option, we can change the quality view of the dispatcher. It has two options, real good and fluent good. This is snapshot option for capture picture. Through the volume option, we can increase and decrease the sound level. We can also start video recording of live streaming by click on start video record. By clicking on stop video, we can stop the video which we would have done through start recording. Through track option, we can see the previous location history of the user movement. For whichever day we want to see the previous location history, we can also search the data by selecting the particular date. In this, by manually selecting the date and time, the previous history tracking record can be opened. We can check previous video recording data through record option. For whichever day we want to see the playback of BWC, we can also search the recording by selecting the particular date and time. Click on File option, then Playback Video Clip will appear in this folder to play the video clip from playback list. So double click on any clip, then the video will start playing. We can also easily download any recorded video clip from server to PC. Through Manage option, we can add, edit and remove devices from CMS server. For more details, contact Sanchar technical team. Contact your nearest Sanchar representative and follow us on